ago, I was craving for fish. I really love fish so much and other seafoods. So I bought this salmon. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to cook the Asian baked salmon. So I have some leftover asparagus. So I'm gonna use some of the asparagus. I'm gonna stir fry the asparagus, and also I'm gonna eat this salmon with multigrain rice. So samahan niyo ako tonight. Magluto tayo. For stir-fried asparagus. So we're gonna use half only. Okay, so let's mix all the ingredients in a bowl with soy sauce and sesame oil. A teaspoon of raw honey, or you can use brown sugar. I don't have brown sugar, so My brown sugar is running out, so I'm gonna use honey. So I have a big Ziploc bag here, so I'm gonna use it to marinate our salmon. So I'm gonna put the salmon inside of the bag. You see guys, I have like half of whole salmon fillet. Yeah, this is, yeah. So I am not sure whether, but you know, I'm just want to squeeze it in, maybe to fit. Yeah, and then you pour the sauce inside of the bag. Okay, so let's pour the sauce, marinating sauce. Okay, my honey is still solid a little bit, but it doesn't matter. Okay, and then you seal it. Seal the Ziploc really well, and then yeah, it's really flat, and yeah, it's really good to use the Ziploc in marinating your meat. Okay, and then so we'll just leave it in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes, or you can marinate it in advance if you want to. Okay, so our salmon is ready, and let's set the oven. So let's turn on the bake. I really want to do the broil, but maybe not tonight. Just bake. And yeah, so I'm gonna bake it in 180 degrees or 175. This oven is electric, so I have to use the 180 because, or 185, because this one is a bit slow, guys. It's not really powerful. Maybe I'm gonna use the 385, but the standard is 375. Yeah, okay, that is set. So that's our marinated salmon looks like. Smells good, guys, really yummy. Smells good because of sesame oil, ginger, and lime. Right, and put spring onions on top before putting in the oven. Okay guys, so it's ready to put in the oven, so let's bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. It's ready for the oil. Let's pour the oil in. So 1 tablespoon. I always use 1 tablespoon. I don't want to use a lot. Okay, that's it. And let's put a tiny bit of sesame oil in there. Just a tiny bit, just a drop of sesame oil. Oops, you see, I said just a drop, but it's more than 1 drop. Anyway, doesn't matter. So I mixed the ginger and garlic already, so add into the pan. Alright guys, that's all for tonight, and I hope you like this recipe, and just let me know what you think about this recipe by comment down below. And also, if you like this, please hit the like button, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribe to my channel here. And yeah, so thank you so much. This is my recipe for you tonight, so I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely night, everybody, and God bless you. Bye bye.